Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Vimeo affiliate program, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with the Vimeo affiliate program, visit the Vimeo website. Look for the affiliates link, typically found in the footer section of the page. Click on the affiliates link to access the dedicated affiliate section. On the affiliate page, locate the Join Now button. Click the Join Now button to begin the application process. You will be prompted to create a free Vimeo account if you do not have one. Fill out the required information to create your account. Once your account is set up, log in to your Vimeo account. Look for the Affiliate Dashboard option in your account settings. In the dashboard, you will find additional information about the program benefits. Familiarize yourself with the program guidelines and commission structure. Next, find your unique affiliate link. This link is crucial for tracking your referrals. Share your affiliate link through your preferred channels. You can use social media, blogs, or email to promote Vimeo's services. As your referrals sign up and make purchases, you will earn commissions. Monitor your progress and earnings directly from your affiliate dashboard. Keep track of your performance and adjust your strategy as needed. Stay updated with any new offers or promotions from Vimeo. Engage with the community to exchange tips and insights. Remember to follow all the program rules to ensure compliance. Now you're ready to start earning with the Vimeo affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.